Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the heart of this system, the CyberPowerPC is powered by the latest Intel Core i7-14700F processor. This CPU features 20 cores and a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz, allowing it to handle everything from intense gaming sessions to heavy multitasking and content creation with ease. The i7-14700F is part of Intel's 14th generation, offering great improvements in speed, efficiency, and thermal management compared to previous generations. Paired with this powerful processor is 16 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at a blistering 6,000 MHz. DDR5 memory offers faster data transfer rates and improved power efficiency, which translates to smoother gameplay, quicker application launches, and an overall snappier computing experience. When it comes to graphics, this system is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T 16GB graphics card. This is a next-gen GPU designed for high-performance gaming and VR experiences. The 16 GB of dedicated GDDR6 memory on the RTX 5060T ensures that you can run the latest AAA games at high settings and resolutions, including VR titles, without any lag or stuttering. The RTX series also supports ray tracing and DLSS, which enhance visual fidelity and boost frame rates, making your gaming experience stunning and immersive. Storage is another strong point for this PC. It comes with a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. This ultra-fast storage solution offers lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and rapid file transfers. The PCIe 4.0 interface provides double the bandwidth of PCIe 3.0, so you're future-proof for storage upgrades and demanding workloads. Connectivity options are versatile and modern. You get 2 USB-C 3.2 ports, 3 USB-A 3.2 ports for USB-A 2.0 ports, a LAN port for wired internet, Wi-Fi 6 support for fast wireless connections, and Bluetooth 5.3 for the latest wireless peripherals. The inclusion of HDMI and 2 display ports means you can easily set up multi-monitor gaming or productivity setups. This CyberPowerPC also features a tempered glass side panel, showcasing the stylish custom RGB lighting inside. This not only looks great, but also reflects the build quality and attention to detail. The package comes with a keyboard and mouse included, so you're ready to game right out of the box. For peace of mind, the system includes a 1-year parts and labor warranty along with free lifetime technical support, ensuring you'll have assistance when needed. In summary, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC is a powerhouse built for gamers who want smooth, high-fidelity gaming, fast multitasking, and future-ready features. The combination of the Intel i7-14700F DDR5 memory, RTX 5060T graphics, and speedy PCIe 4.0 SSD makes it an excellent choice for gaming, VR, content creation, and streaming. If you want a gaming desktop that can handle the most demanding games and keep up with your creative projects, this CyberPowerPC is definitely worth considering. Whether you're diving into VR, competitive esports, or just want a reliable machine for everything in between, this system delivers great value and performance for 2025 and beyond.